Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day, and you are watching this video because you are tired of that horrible zoom on every single browser except Microsoft Edge. You're tired of that zoom where it just goes into slow frame rates and just zooms in a very bad way. It's just such a bad experience, and you're wondering what the hell, I paid $2,000 for a laptop with Windows precision drivers. Why can't these companies use advantage of this awesome touchpad that I have and make my browsing experience better? Well, most likely if you have Dell XPS 15 or any laptop that uses Windows precision drivers. There are some other drivers out there, but the most common one is Windows precision drivers, and Microsoft comes into the rescue here, and with their Microsoft Edge browser they do very much have a very nice zoom feature and even a swipe back and swipe front feature. You know, they take advantage of the two fingers to go back and front, and you can use the pinch option to actually get a very smooth zoom. It's actually smooth, and that is the only reason that I keep going back to Microsoft Edge every once in a while, because I just get so frustrated with that horrible zoom on Chrome and Firefox and everything. But recently I was like, you know what? I'm tired of this, because Microsoft Edge is slow when using Google services. Like YouTube itself will just be slow on Microsoft, and I feel like Google is doing this on purpose. But anyways, I was like, I need to go on the hunt to help myself and my subscribers on how to get the Chrome experience with proper zooming and proper gestures. And you know, I was looking at different extensions and stuff to get, but I've used an extension itself for the swipe, but it was so bad. But recently, for the official version of Chrome, Google actually released a feature where you can now swipe back and front too, I think, and it's actually very nicely optimized. You know, there's a nice animation to it as well, but you were still lacking that pinch feature, and I was like, this is such an essential thing. Why hasn't Google added it yet? And I really went on the hunt here, went through every single forum I could find, and I found out that Google Chrome Canary, which is their development or experimental version of Chrome, actually has this feature already added. I know it was released last year, but this feature wasn't existing since last year. It was only added, I think, a couple of weeks or months ago. But anyways, I found it out, I installed it on my computer, laptop, and I was shocked. I was getting the Chrome experience. In fact, I got an upgraded Chrome experience because this is a new version of Chrome that they haven't released on their official version yet. So I got that, and I get the awesome extensions that you already get with Chrome. You get the awesome themes that you already get with Chrome. In fact, I have a dark theme running on right now. And on top of that, on top of the official swipe back and swipe forward feature, you get the beautiful pinch in and pinch out feature to zoom in and zoom out, and it is absolutely crispy. It is one of the most fluid experiences I've gotten in such a long time. You know, I've tried Opera, I've tried Chrome, Firefox, whatever it is, but this is the best experience, all-rounded browser that I've been able to find. I've tried everything. Firefox Neon, whatever. I've tried the Firefox. I've tried everything, you know. I actually have tried everything. I've tried browsers that are like third party, like UC browser and stuff. This is the best experience, the best browser that I have used in such a long time. And I can finally use Chrome extensions, the Chrome speed, and get the Edge-like zoom. It's just amazing. All you have to do is just go download it. Just search up Google Chrome Canary. It's just the instant, just a regular download for you guys. I'll even link it in the description if you guys want to check it out. Yeah, I'm not going to talk any longer because it's just a matter of clicking out of this video, downloading that browser, and you're good to go. And now I know you're kind of hesitant because it's an experimental browser and, you know, it might not be stable, but for the week or two that I've used this browser, I have not faced a single crash. I've experienced one UI change because they're constantly changing the interface, but I've never faced any bugs, crashes, nothing like that as for the time period that I've used. Hopefully there is no big issue and you guys can use it too. I will probably make an update video if I do end up finding a better option than this right now, but as of right now, it is my daily browser. It is my daily browser that I use every single day. My only slight concern would be the battery life, because I already know for a fact, like it's a factual statement, that Microsoft Edge has better battery life because of its optimization and everything, especially with the new creators update. And I also know that Google Chrome is quite of a, you know, RAM hog, so I can only expect Canary to be worse. But in terms of my usage, I haven't faced any downsides. Like, maybe I've lost a couple of minutes when it comes to browsing time, but I haven't faced any sort of performance issues. In fact, the performance is so good. You just have to try it on your own. There's nothing for me to say but to recommend it to you guys so you can test it on your own. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want. And also, comment down any questions if you have. I'll try to answer them if you have any questions or whatever. And yep, this is a quick video. I hope it's quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually shot some B-roll. It was really hot outside, so I hope I got some good B-roll. Yeah, this is Tech Alpha signing out with today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.